Over the years, Sri Lanka has taken very important policy measures in controlling tobacco smoking in the country. And as a result of these efforts, we can observe that the overall smoking prevalence rate of the country has decreased significantly. However, a recent study by IPS found that still there are certain groups where the smoking prevalence rate is very high, and we refer those groups as the last mile smokers. And the same study found that there's a huge unmet demand for smoking cessation services, especially from those last mile smokers. In this context, this study explores the effective ways of reaching those last mile smokers, and also the current position of Sri Lanka's smoking cessation interventions. And also this study proposes the policy options available for Sri Lanka in delivering the smoking cessation services more effectively.
So through this research study, we found that behavioral cessation interventions are more effective than pharmacological approaches. We also looked at international practices through this research study, and according to international evidence, system level interventions are proven to be more effective in terms of reaching the last mile smokers. And also we found that there are 5 key components in terms of successful cessation interventions, and they are high visibility and accessibility. The cessation interventions should not be judgmental, they should be spontaneous, flexible, and finally they should be community based. Sri Lanka has undoubtedly achieved greater things in terms of lowering the smoking prevalence in the country. While such measures by successive governments are praiseworthy, our research study shows that there still exists gaps in terms of smoking cessation interventions that reach the last mile smokers. So for instance, most of the awareness campaigns and counseling programs in the country are based in the most urbanized Colombo and its suburbs, and as such the last mile smokers could hardly access such cessation interventions. Finally, our study shows that there exist research gaps in terms of cessation interventions in the country. Therefore, in order to lower the smoking prevalence among the last mile smokers, these cessation interventions should be tailor-made and targeted to reach the hard-to-reach groups, and as such there is still room for improvement, and these aspects warrant urgent attention.
Firstly, we should give priority to the last mile smokers when designing and implementing smoking cessation programs. And also we should focus more on introducing and implementing behavioral interventions and community-based interventions. And also we have to focus more on community-based cessation interventions such as tobacco-free zones, because those interventions are more cost-effective, as it can reach a wider community base at a shorter period of time. And also it is also important to follow up with the smokers. Finally, and most importantly, we should combine the smoking cessation interventions with other tobacco control policy interventions, such as increasing the taxes and banning the sale of single stick cigarettes.